Chemistry, Inorganic Nomenclature, Part 1, Binary Salts. A binary salt is formed by a metal and a non-metal. In this example, the metal is sodium and the non-metal is chlorine. In order to make the compound, we have to add the particle "ide" at the end of the non-metal's name. So, sodium and chlorine, when combined, will give sodium chloride. The ions that make up sodium chlorine have an electrical charge of +1 in the case of sodium and -1 in the case of chlorine. Thus, their charges cancel out and the final compound is electrically neutral. It has no charge. But what if the charges of the elements are different? In that case, in order to make sure that the charges cancel out, we will cross the superscripts of the elements like this. So the final compound will contain 2 atoms of sodium for every atom of sulfur. The name of this compound will be sodium sulfide. Let's see what happens if we combine iron 3 with sulfur. We cross the superscripts and end up with this structure: 2 atoms of iron and 3 atoms of sulfur. We must specify the oxidation state of iron, since this element has 2, iron 2 and iron 3. Therefore, the name of this substance will be iron 3 sulfide. Something funny happens when we combine 2 elements that have the same number of charges. As you can see, both end up with the same subscript. When this happens, we can simplify. In this case, we divide by 2. So, the final structure contains an atom of iron for each atom of sulfur. The name of this substance, as you see, will be iron 2 sulfide. Remember, iron has 2 oxidation states, so we must always indicate which one is using. Other examples include cobalt 3 chloride, calcium sulfide, and iron 2 oxide.